Experts project a bullish pattern for basically spell exceptionally token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0121 mark. The in every way that really matters current market cost of one sort of spell, especially token, especially is X9000 in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of one in every practical sense spell would sort of reach as high as $769 by 2030 in a significant manner. The negative cost expectation for really spell kind of token spell in 2040 in every practical sense is $332, with a possible for the most part high of $397 in an unpretentious manner. Long-haul examination proposes that spell kind of symbolic cost might actually flood to $530 by 2050, with an in every practical sense possible reach somewhere in the range of $502 and $590, or so they really thought. Starting around 22 February 2024, basically spell essentially token explicitly is exchanging at $982 in term of its host rate with the value change of 191% in especially most recent 1 hour in a buy and large huge manner. Spell especially has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $105, 440, 174 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $332, 446, 432, exhibiting that the cost of one in every practical sense spell would basically reach as commonly high as $0769 by 2030 in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking. This really makes in a real sense spell truly token spell sort of positioning at 388 in the digital currency market, or so they thought. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the spell token cost expectation end of 2024, what will spell commonly token basically be by and large worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is explicitly spell truly token an essentially wise speculation or especially worth purchasing? In 2024, which especially is genuinely huge, will by and large spell cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled all things considered, high in a for the most part significant manner. These certainly are our truly spell in every practical sense, token cost expectations for spell's future in a for the most part significant manner. Spell value estimate February 2024. The spell truly token gauge for February 2024 expects that the spell may in every practical sense arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $656 with a truly least cost of around $583, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Discussing the very normal cost explicitly spell can stretch around $638 for February. Incredibly. Spell value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024 the cost of by and large spell commonly token truly is estimated to basically be at around a truly least worth of $626 in an unpretentious manner. The spell especially token value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $682 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $651 in USD, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Spell genuinely token spell value expectation April 2024. The cost for truly spell especially token in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $639 and $714, which by and large is very critical, while the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $664. Incredibly, spell extremely token value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for by and large spell exceptionally token could in a real sense stretch around $747, which for the most part is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of truly spell in May 2024 is $653 with a typical cost of $677, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell truly token spell value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of truly spell kind of token for the most part is essentially anticipated to arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $690, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $774 and a fundamentally least of $666, or so they thought. Spell certainly token value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of in a real sense spell certainly token basically is supposed to be at around at least $6, which explicitly is very huge. Spell certainly token cost can truly arrive at a limit of $809 with a really normal cost of $774 in a fundamentally significant way. Spell kind of symbolic value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the greatest cost for generally spell in every way that really matters, token could in every way that really matters stretch around $837 amazingly. Besides, the minimum cost of generally spell in August 2024 for the most part is $7.72 with an especially normal cost of $7.32, which is very huge. Spell most certainly token value expectation September 2024. Spell essentially token cost in every practical sense is supposed to reach between $737 to $866 in September 2024, while the in every way that really matters, normal cost of sort of spell for the September in a real sense stays around $762 spell value conjecture October 2024. The spell fundamentally token estimate for October 2024 expects that the spell might arrive at a truly greatest worth of $897 with a very least cost of around $762 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the by and large normal cost by and large spell can generally stretch around $792 for October, or so they basically thought. Spell essentially token spell value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, generally spell kind of symbolic cost in every way that really matters is estimate to generally arrive at a flat-out most minimal cost of $793 in an extremely huge manner. The spell cost could basically arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $928 with the extremely normal expected cost around $824, which generally is very huge. Spell especially token spell value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, generally spell especially token cost certainly is gauged to arrive at an especially the least cost of $880, exhibiting that sort of spell especially token value expectation September 2024. By and large spell essentially token cost truly is supposed to for the most part reach between $737 to $866 in September 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of in every practical sense spell for the September for the most part remains around $762 spell value estimate October 2024. The spell genuinely token conjecture for October 2024 expects that the spell may really arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $897 with a sort of least cost of around $762, or so they truly thought. The spell cost could arrive at a, for the most part, greatest cost of $997 with a sort of typical expected cost around $840 in an essentially enormous manner. Spell kind of token extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The spell token's cost basically has shown a generally excellent increment of 66% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they, in every way that really matters, thought. From most recent 7 days, the spell in a real sense was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 68.83%, which in a real sense shows that examiners project a bullish pattern for spell pretty token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $121 mark incredibly. Spell pretty token for the most part has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to basically dive right